career which pays you well but not satisfied with the work you do? Or looking for a good career choice but unable to figure out one? If yes, then this video is definitely for you. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeocare Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is how to choose a career. So stay tuned. Most of us choose career according to others' preferences. That is either following the trend, influenced by media, or following the peer. For example, oh, CA is being paid really well. Let's do that. MBA has good financial security. That's a good option. Or maybe medical pays a lot nowadays. So let's get into medical. But what about your own vocational skills? There are 138 and above options of career, but we don't even explore any of them. We just go for the most popular ones without knowing our abilities and interest into it. Now, what is vocational assessment? It is evaluation of individual skill, interest and qualification. It aims at identifying the employment options suitable for an individual which has its maximum potential. Now, we don't only explore the career option, but we also look at it from different perspectives. Almost 60% of a lifespan is spent working and educating on the career option we choose. So it is very important not only to do well in the career you choose, but also to have an interest into it for a long lifespan. We often come across people who are doing really well in their careers, but are not satisfied with their lives. They mostly are doing some job which they are not interested in, and then they are unable to enjoy the luxuries that the job provides them. So for those, I would like to tell, don't wait till the end of life when you regret that you didn't do anything of your interest. Today is the time. Don't bond yourself with any age limits. Start it now. Only you have to do is make a choice. Supporting this, I would like to share one of my counseling cases. So some years back, a male of 38 years old came to me with symptoms of depression. When I interviewed him for the initial session, I come to find out that he had a perfect life any would imagine. A supportive wife, 2 kids doing really well in academics, financial security, everything that a man would need. But somehow he lost interest in living. So I had to find out further. On further interviewing, I understood that he never wanted to do what he was actually doing. He always wanted to go into teaching. But because of the financial pressure, responsibilities, he was unable to take the job. And he switched himself into some corporate jobs where he was a general manager now. So, I just advised him for the initial time to start teaching his own kids whenever he gets time. So, on his second sitting, he was eagerly waiting out to meet me. As soon as he entered, he told me how good it was as an experience to teach his own children. Now, I advised him to charge the minimum and take tuitions on the weekends when he had holidays. Now, that was the time which he used to spend with his family, go out. That was the period really very, compromising. But he really did well. After the next sitting, when he came to me, the face had all the refreshment. He was content with life. It seemed like he had a different life altogether to live. He was very happy in his life. Then I told him to start this regular tuitions on a regular basis, increasing the number of children with minimum charges. He started doing the same on only weekends. And then as he got financial security with years, he switched his job and he just settled down to be a teacher. And now it has been 1 year. He is doing really well in his life. No symptoms of depression and he is totally satisfied in his life. So friends, sense, is it about the age that really matters? Or it's just the one step that you take? For those who ask me how important is it to do vocational assessment before you choose a career, I would say as important as satisfaction is in your life. For those who are planning to change a job because they have no contentment, I would say today is the day. Make a choice. You just have to cut short your unnecessary expenses for a little time, and also you have to focus on things which gives you satisfaction on weekend instead of going for planning trips or doing something which really doesn't make any sense. And for those who are choosing their career, now is the time to assess your own abilities and interests. Just don't follow your trend or your friends. It won't make sense for a long run, guys. Come on, wake up and do things what you like, because you are the most you spend your life with. So for further details, queries and advices, you can contact me anytime on the below given details. I hope you find this video really helpful. Stay tuned to my channel every Monday. Do let me know in comment section if you want any specific video to be made on a topic. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.